Hello everyone, in this screencast I will talk about how to apply in King AbdulAziz University. If you are really eager to know how to apply in King AbdulAziz University, stay tuned, let's get started. This scholarship is offering for few academic level, especially for undergrad, masters and PhD. In some cases is postgrad. So if you are really interested, the deadline for this scholarship is actually end of this year. Each and every single year, this scholarship are offering by the authority. Before dig into the application, let's check the university ranking. I was checking in Google what is the ranking of the King AbdulAziz University, and I found according to the QS Global World Ranking in 2021, this university is 143 number in the world. So I would say definitely this is one of the best and prestigious scholarship in Islamic world. If you are interested to study in Arabic environment, I guess this is one of the best choice for you. Scholarship benefits. Once you get this scholarship, definitely it will provide you accommodation and its facilities, and then besides you will get 900 Saudi Riyal for pocket money per month. If you have a living a place, if you have amount, beside that you get 900 Riyal. This is a good amount of money to survive in Saudi. Apart from that, it will provide you 1800 Saudi Riyal once you reach there in the first time, and definitely it will provide you some amount of money for masters and PhD for printing your thesis once you have done your study, and for transferring your books from Saudi to your home country, it will even provide you 2700 Riyal at the end of your graduation. And of course, like some other fully funded scholarship, it will provide you a two-way airfare ticket annually. This is really cool opportunities for you. If you are interested, let's check how to apply. This is the official site, so there are few places where you can apply. If you are specifically interested for undergrad program, click there. Otherwise, graduate program is considering master's, PhD and postdoc as well. Today I will show you how to apply for graduate program. So just go there. This is the graduate program page. Entry requirement. Unfortunately, it's not without IELTS or English language test. So what you need to do, you need to prove that you are enough to talk in English. So you need to provide any of this certificate. But the good thing is that the IELTS score is 5. Beside the English requirement, so another requirement is for 8. So the student for postgrad should not older than 35. So this is the another crucial information you need to consider. Alright, so once you have all the information matched, let's dig into the application. Once you click on the apply now, it will bring you in this page. The very first time you need to create an account. What you need to do, you need to provide your email address, for example. Once you hit on the register button, it will send you an email with username and password. It will be something like this. You have a username and you have a password. The next things, you need to go to the login button and then provide the username and password. Then try to log in. Please keep in mind that don't use this username and password because this is for dummy purpose only. Once you have able to log in successfully, you will see such kind of application form. The very first things in the first phase, you need to provide your personal data. Alright. Please keep in mind the naming convention in Saudi is a little bit different. The first name, then father, grandfather, family. Sometime if you follow the Islamic naming convention, maybe it would be something like John Doe Bin, the father. So in that case, you need to provide father and grandfather. It depends on you whether you have this information or not. If no, then just skip it. Provide the passport, provide the nationality. The next things is address of your home country, residence of your country, that should be passport expire date. Again, please make sure this is based on your passport. Date of birth, marital status, mobile number. So once you have finished this one, go to the next. In the second section, you need to provide the educational details. The very first, you need to provide, since I'm applying for PhD, so I need to provide the master's first. Place of graduation, university, college. So college basically referring to the faculty. So it would be like engineering, for example. It depends on your college or faculty, major, maybe computer engineering. Specialization, if you have any kind of specialization, for example, I'm a software engineer, so I can easily inform them, okay, software engineering. Date of graduation, GPA out of 4, that should be CGPA, maybe 3.5. English proficiency. Keep in mind that you cannot add more than 1, right? So what you need to do, so you need to provide the last degree. For me, I provide master's because I'm applying for PhD. If you are applying for master's, so you need to provide the undergrad information. English proficiency, I have IELTS, for example, exam score maybe 6.5, exam date. Please keep in mind, you need to provide this information based on your exam certificate, IELTS exam certificate. Next, in the third section, you need to choose your program, which program you are interested in. Since I mentioned that something engineering, maybe I will go for PhD in computer engineering. Number 10 is suitable for me, but you can choose whatever is suitable for you based on your expertise. I choose this one. Then next one. In the fourth section, what you need to do, you need to attach the files that you informed them before. You have master degree, you have certificate for IELTS, you need to provide that. First of all, you need to provide passport information. Okay, passport. Keep in mind that passport should be in PDF format, otherwise it won't be acceptable. Then attach. Alright, once you click on the attach, it will show you it's uploaded successfully, and you will see the show details page. If you want to see that whether you uploaded the right file or not, you can click on that and it will show you. The same way, graduate certificate, you need to provide certificate, you need to provide the transcript, try and attach. The same way, you need to attach each and every single file. The bad things for this application system is like the UI is not that fancy. User interface, I would say it's not a good fancy for user. So therefore, each and every single time once you upload, you need to attach. The same way, you need to attach for transcript. And the next things you need to attach for IELTS certificate or any other English language proficiency certificate, you need to attach. Now, recommendation 1 and 2. You have to, it doesn't matter where you apply, but you need to have at least 2 recommendations during your application. So here as well, you need to provide the recommendation. So I recommend you better take recommendation from your university, from last degree. If you are applying for PhD, maybe take one recommendation from your supervisor, from masters, or anyone from maybe head of the department or any academician you know. It's really important and it's one of the required to provide it during your application, otherwise they won't consider it. The next, you need to provide a CV. So a student needs to provide CV. Most of the cases it's required for master's or PhD program, but maybe in some cases it's required for undergrad as well. So it's always advisable to provide a nice CV once you submit. Alright, next things is statement of purpose. Now it's a kind of confusing term. In the statement of purpose is a kind of letter where you need to tell them, okay, you are this, you graduated from that university, you studied on that, you have interest on these. Now you need to inform them, the selecting committee, that why you are best choice on top of some other candidates. You have to provide the enough proof that, okay, they choose you because of this particular reason. Let's upload. The final things, at least you need to provide, that's this personal photo. Make sure the personal photo should be JPEG. Otherwise, if you provide the PDF, maybe you will get the error. Alright, we have done all the required files. So what we need to do, we just click on the next button to see. Once you are in the confirmation stage, what you need to do, you need to check once again every single information that you have provided is correct and it belongs to you. If you go and check properly, if everything seems good, then check I certify this button and then save and send. Otherwise, if you feel that some information is incorrect, you can go to any stage anytime. For example, let's say your education is not perfect, you just go there, maybe it's 3.6, you just save, and once you have done, you just go up the confirmation, and finally I certify and save it. Now before save and send, what I recommend, you just print this copy or make a copy of PDF, so that in future if you need this copy, you can easily do it. Once you have submitted application, the next things you need to check follow up. For example, if you go there, follow up, you can see that how many application you sent. So there is no application because we didn't submit. So if you have submit, then you can see the status of this application, whether it's approved or rejected or pending, whatever. I think that's it, how to apply in King AbdulAziz University for your studentship and scholarship. Before ending the day, so I would tell you that this is like a student portal for King AbdulAziz University. So what you need to do in future, let's say you are a student of them already, so what you need to do, you need to use this portal for application or further information, I guess. So you can change your password, and once you have done all the stuff, then you can sign out there. So far we have shown you how to apply in King AbdulAziz University for getting admission and the scholarship. You can try it out now, but still, if you have any kind of queries or information that's not clear to you, feel free to write your comments in the comment section down below. We'll try to figure it out together. Thank you.